government o broadcast, nagtuog yun. Nga ang smoking mo cause og lung elements of cancer. Kini, akong isulatan sila, o babasa kini sa akong website, nga akong i-flash din hining television.
So sa ato pa, Brad, on the issue of smoking, causing cancer and lung ailments, you are one against the world.
Tinuod yun na, because God is one and perfect. Man, the minds of man, commit serious and irreversible error on smoking.
So kanang smoking theory sa science causing lung ailments sama sa pneumonia, broncho, sipon, asthma. Prima is it really wrong?
Very wrong yun. That is impossible, unscientific o anti-Bible. That is smoking theory of science, not only impossible and scientific, but anti-biblical.
Kanang passive smoking, prisuhon ta eksakto ba na?
Somewhat. Dili lang kana impossible, but double impossible. Kanang passive smoking of science is a double impossible to happen.
Kining dako nga sayop sa science, parte ni smoking, doon na ba kini epekto sa imong pagtuo?
Sa itong pagtuo, sa reliyon, no? Dako kayo. Kaya kining sayop sa siyensya sa smoking, nagpailala nga God is the creator of everything. He is the author of science. And above all, He is the healer of all times.
Ikaw, Brad, doon na kabay lang.
Ngadto. When I was a little boy, doon na ako'y plema o sipon. When I was about 9 years old, of grade 3 ko, I had a tuberculosis. O nitong 1997, I have a 1-month asthma. But surprisingly, I am non-smoker. Di ko tabako.
Brad Efren, nga inguman ka na impossible ang theory sa smoking to cause lung cancer or ailment. Eksakto ba sa nga?
Very good. Tubaga nga, Sister Mason, okay, simple lang yan. Kanang atong lungs, we take in only oxygen. No other. Ang atong baga is an important part of our respiratory system. Mao ka na ang supplier sa oxygenated blood o mo pagawas og carbon dioxide. Ang tao nga walay oxygen, dili masakit. Patay lang dayon. So it is lack of oxygen that causes death, not ailments. Kanang mga proponents sa smoking, direct o passive smoking, mga scientific na sila. Why? First, they forgot that the respiratory system of man take in only oxygen and carbon dioxide out. Second, they could not distinguish breathing from smelling because the rule is simple in nature. What you see and what you smell, you do not breathe. But what you do not see and you do not smell, you are breathing it. Muna ang oxygen. Third, breathable oxygen is always clean, invisible, odorless, and colorless. Fourth, smoke is a carbon dioxide. Unlike the invisible carbon dioxide of the animal kingdom, kining smoke is a visible, odorless, and colorful, which no man can breathe. Why makaginawa? But it is a breath of life to the plants. Fifth, the working of the respiratory system in the medical books is a great contradiction to the passive and direct smoking. Because of these unscientific facts enumerated, all environmental laws should be repealed outright, being wrong and unscientific.
Yeah, Brad, what's may imong appeal to the world?
I am appealing to the world, to the World Health Organization, to the medical world, to our congresses of the world, and to the parliaments of the world, to please repeal all environmental laws relating to smoking.
Yeah, unsa man sa nag-imo iparipil?
Ako iparipil, kinahanglan lagi, kay kanagong smoking, kares karon, kares penalties, sama sa imprisonment of fine. And the government, mo nakasayop, the government is making people criminal. When it is impossible for these people to have the smoke enter the lungs. So, if this is the case, people are punished for a very impossible thing, then this is all governments enforcing a smoking law is a very unjust government.
Okay, kung pasad ka, Brad, na kaning smoking is anti-Bible. No?